How deep? Glaciers on the southern end. And you can see 2 out of its 3 peaks.
So you guys are gonna go in here? Percent above the water, 90% made up of little tiny bits of ice called ice crystals that fell as snow hundreds of years ago. Now, over the time, those and it's just the sun. And you two ladies come into the middle. Yep, cool. Alright, and now everybody. Oh, it's recording.
$20 more then.
I think this is like a whale.